Hey, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage? Whatever. Have you ever heard of my boy from whatever, the Commonwealth? Yeah, the Commonwealth picker. Have you ever heard of my boy from Cincinnati, the Cincinnati picker? Well, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm just leaving the thrift store. I'm almost late for work. You know what I'm saying? But I got, see all this stuff back there? Boxes and boxes of stuff that I just bought today. And when I get to work, I'm gonna make some video and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I'm gonna make some videos and show y'all what I got. I ain't sell nothing in 2 days. So, you know, like I told y'all, this stuff is real. Sometimes you don't sell nothing, sometimes you do. And before I left the house, I sold one item. But anyway, I'm trying to let y'all know, you know, if I don't sell nothing, if I sell something, whatever. We could talk about other stuff. I don't have to sell nothing. We can talk about life, whatever. You know what I mean? But right now, I got all this stuff to sort through. You know, you won't believe what I walked in one thrift store and I found these lights. They ain't nothing but little pathway lights. You know, there's one individual light. And I'm gonna let y'all know how much that I can sell that stuff for. As soon as I get to work, we're gonna go down on this stuff. We're gonna get down on it. Like the song say, get down on it. Get down on it. How you feeling? Get down on it. Feeling? Get down on it. Let the feeling. We're gonna do that. But anyway, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get to work. So, peace for right now. Give me a few minutes. Hey y'all, I'm back. Yeah. I just want to show y'all what I got. Hold on a minute, cut the speaker off. My Bluetooth speaker. Okay, y'all. Yeah, I was just driving earlier. I couldn't take y'all in the place with me, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got, okay? Let me lift this up. Yeah, hold on a minute. I'm not gonna show y'all everything. I'm just gonna show y'all some stuff. Okay. First of all, y'all know I can't help it. I'm just get gains for no reason at all. But I already loaded these on eBay. Anything Mario, Mario, don't pass it up. Or Sonic or whatever, don't pass it up. You get at least $15 to $20, $30 for these. Sometimes you could get lucky and find one that's worth like $80, you know. But this Sonic, Smash Brothers, I paid $2 a piece for this stuff. I got 5 games. Winter Olympics, Sonic, Mario, and I got Mario Galaxy. Okay? So, I tried to pass them up, I couldn't. That's money, y'all. I couldn't help it. I got 1,000 games, I couldn't help it. But that's 5 games. That's probably like $2 a piece. That's probably like $70 right there. For 5 games, $2 a piece. $10, $70. Close to 80. Okay? I got this glove I already put on eBay. Because I got 1,000 gloves, baseball gloves. And I ain't gonna let them stack up no more. So I put this one on eBay right here. Just a regular Rawlings glove. You know, it's selling for $49. I put it on there for $35. Okay? Toothbrushes. I saw these toothbrushes in there. They lighted and they timed. And they got a little suction cup on the bottom. So I got them 3. I paid $1 a piece for them. I got 5 lots of 3 on eBay. I bought every last one of them. I got 5 lots of 3 on eBay, and I got them on it for I think $10 free shipping. So I'm not looking to make too much money on these, but I just got to get them out. I'm not hoarding stuff no more. You know what I'm saying? Another thing you all need to look for Anything with Sony Walkman on it. Anything. I done sold several of these. Several of them. But I never got one in this new condition. This like new condition like this. This damn near brand new. Okay. These right here, just this model right here, sell from anywhere between 40, used 40 to like $70. You find one brand new, woo, you talking about 200 to $300-400. I ain't no telling how much you can get for it. You get over $200 for one that's brand new in a package. That's deep. A used one like this one, I just put this one on eBay. I think I put it on there for $58. They were selling for $79, just like this. I put it on there for $58. Anything with Sony Walkman, anything. I just paid $5 for that. This right here, I paid $3 for. It's a Sony Walkman, but it's a weather station. It's got radio and weather on it. I put this on it for $48. If you had this new, this would be like $200 too. But just this piece right here, I put on there for $48. Just this one. And I sold another one that had it's got built-in MP3 player on it. I think it had 8 gigabytes or something. I sold that for $60-something. And I bought it brand new back in the day. You know what I'm saying? So anything Sony Walkman, find that stuff. I got some Pizza Hut. I got 2 Pizza Hut ashtrays. I paid $1 a piece for them. I just put this on there for $25. One sold for $25. I put mine on there for $25. Only difference is they had to pay for shipping for his. I put mine on there for free shipping. I think his was $5 shipping, mine free. So I'm selling this fast. The other one, see how that one is colored? This other one just got etched. So this is gonna be cheap. I think it's gonna be about $16. This, I'm not taking it out of the bag. This is a wine canter, whiskey canter, whatever you call it. It's heavy as hell. When I saw this, it had $3 on it. The lady had just pushed it out from the back room. And I got it, and I looked up the name on it, $48. $48. That's how much I put on eBay for. And it was just one on there that sold. I couldn't find another one. So somebody gonna grab this. That's one thing about eBay. If you find something, just like that wine canter, I found it, one on there that sold. I didn't find no other one on there. None. So somebody else got to be looking for it. I'm telling you that now. Another thing that I bought, and I learned this from my boy Matt, Part-Time Pickers. See this? I walked in the store and I saw these. It was 19 of them on the stand, $5 a piece. 19 of them. I scanned one. One sold for $39. One. Then I saw another guy that sold 3 of them for $115. I bought all of them. It was 19 of them. Every last one of them. Then while I'm putting them in my cart, this lady walked up and said she wanted 6. I was mad as hell. You know how much money that is? That's he was selling for $115 a piece. I mean, $115 for 3. That's $230 I missed out on. But I went on ahead and gave it to her. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, this the thing right here, y'all. This the thing. That thing right there. I got 16. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. She took 6. So I got 13 of them. $5 a piece. I'm going to keep one. I might sell that individually. But I put them in lots of 4. Lots of 4 for $150. Free shipping. Because I want to get rid of them. And I think 4 is a better number. And plus, I'm adding it on what it costs anyway. Would have sold with one individual one to sell. So it ain't like I'm losing no money. So, but anyway, that's $150. I got all of them except for 6. So I got 4 lots of 3. 3 lots of 3, I'm sorry. 3 lots of 3. Because it was 19, she got 6, I got 13. So I got 3 lots of 4 on there right now. So if you calculate that, how much is that? $450 for how much I paid for that? $65? Because I bought 13, 5 times 13. 65. $65. I just made over almost $450. Is that $450? Yeah, it's $450 off of $65. Come on, you can't get no better than that. But I learned that from my boy Matt. Grab everything, grab all of it. And I don't have that much time left, but I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff I bought in these boxes. I'm just gonna turn y'all around and show y'all, okay? Let me see how to turn y'all around. Look, I bought all that stuff. That's all the stuff I ain't talking about. And then go to another box over here. All this stuff. Now I'm putting this Pyrex. I'm putting this stuff on eBay because I got a lot of it. I haven't put it on there. But today I'm putting this stuff on there. I'm gonna start not collecting stuff again. And I got these tennis shoes, these Skechers tennis shoes. They look like they're brand new. I got a baseball glove, look like it's brand new, and I got a Wii controller. I also got this. You know what that is? That's a towel. You can break towel with that. So that's personal use right there. Okay, that's for personal use. That's for my business. I got a towel job coming up, and I would have had to buy one anyway. I got a towel cutter that cut towel, you know, with the water in it. It's got, but this one is much faster. You score it and you break it. That's it. I got a towel cutter which got an electric motor on it with a diamond blade. And, you know, I cut corners and stuff with that, like around the toilet and stuff like that. But this is much faster. You just score it and you break it. I never did buy one. I always use my I got a pair of pliers. You chip it, or I use my saw. So, anyway, y'all, you see all this stuff I got. I just gave y'all some stuff because I already made some of this video driving over here. So I don't want to go over what I got. But you seen some of the stuff I got, and I think I had a good day, especially with them lights. I'm mad because that lady got 6 of them, though, but I don't care. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Y'all know that. And I don't care how long it take, it's going to sell. Another thing, those lights was the only ones on there. Only reason I know that guy sold for 115 and one sold because them were the only 2 on there, and they sold. And that's how I found out the prices. I searched the whole eBay. They don't have no more like that. So somebody gonna buy them, and somebody want 4 instead of 3. I'm just telling you. Those hardwired in too. You got to hardwire them in, and I didn't know that till I researched them. And the lady had already bought the 6, so I could have told her, you know, you got to hardwire them in. They not solar. You know what I'm saying? She probably think they solar. And I ain't get her phone number, nothing. But anyway, I hope she bring them back to the store. Because I'm going back to that store to make sure, because I want them. But anyway, y'all, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If y'all don't like it, I don't care. Give me a thumb, whatever. Well, subscribe, tell your friends. You know, go to my wife's page on Facebook and on Instagram. Look at her stuff. Dion's Things. Things with a Z. Dion's Things at whatever. I don't know how to get to Facebook. I mean, I don't know. I got Facebook page, but I don't know how to get to Instagram or nothing. Anyway, y'all know. I just do it. I don't care. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I've been picking since 2002. You know what I'm saying? I want to pick full time. That's what I want to do. Besides my handyman business. I don't want to drive no more. This sucks. But anyway, so I've been picking since 2002. I'm from St. Louis. And I just want to tell y'all, we picking the hood too. Yeah. Peace.